You video me. You're mean. No, Mom. I don't like it. You don't say it all like this. What you do, Bo? You think something wrong with this picture? 'Cause I do. Santa Claus ain't got no head. Where's his head? I don't know. Where's his head? You got it? Yeah, you got it. You need to give Santa Claus his head back. Because without Santa Claus' head, he can't see where to drive his sleigh. He can't see where to get down the chimney. So he can't give little kids some presents. Well, Santa Claus' head back. Come on. Let's go here. See this little thing? This is called a spine. And it hooks his neck bone. And you need to hook his head back on there. Okay? Where's it at? Bring it in. He's gonna blame the dead children. And let's say if you ain't getting no presents. Now if I was you, I'd have his head, I'd bring it back so he can bring me some presents. My neck needs pumped.